Hello everyone, let's start with the series roadmap to become computer programmer 5 star. So in this video I'll be solving 45th problem, chef and water bottles. Okay. So chef has n empty water bottles. Okay, chef has n bottles basically and those are all empty. Where each bottle has a capacity of x liters. Got it? There is a water tank in Chef land having k liters of water. Chef wants to fill the water bottle using the water in the tank. Okay. So assuming that chef does not spill any water while filling the bottles, find out the maximum number of bottles chef can fill completely. Got it. It's an easy only. Don't worry. So I'll tell you on the board. So first line will contain t number of test cases. Then okay. Let's consider the test cases. Int t, say int t while t minus. This will take care of all the test cases. And for every test case, we'll call a function that will do our calculations. So each test case contains of what the hell is consist of something like this should be there. Okay, no worries. So each test case contains of a single line of input, three integers n, x and k. So n, x and k we have, and those are all integers, so I'm taking int. Let me take their value from input and let us understand the example. So and output they have asked maximum number of bottles that can be completely filled. Completely is very important here. Yeah, completely is very important. So they have given three test cases. In first test case 5 to 8 we have. So let me take you to the board. What was it? 5 to and 8. N is basically he have 5 empty water bottles. Pardon me for drawing the water bottle. Okay, these are basically 5 water bottles and those are all empty. X is basically capacity of each water bottle, which is 2 liters, and K is basically capacity of the water tank. So let's say we have a big tank, its capacity is K. So out of which they're asking, you have got 5 water bottles and its capacity is 2 and we have 8 liters of water in water tank. How many you can fill basically? So if you see, we have 8 liters of water. So if you would fill one water bottle completely, so you will be remaining with the 6 liters of water. So one you have filled it. Now let's fill this one. If you fill this one, this 6 will reduce to -2. This will 4. Like you have 4 liters of water in your tank right now. This got completely filled. Now if you try to fill this one, again 4 we have, your 2 liters of water will be filled into this. So remaining water bottles, water in your water tank will be 2 liters. Now let's try to fill this one. So you will fill completely. This is all complete. So now remaining water in your tank is basically 0. You don't have any water in your tank, and if you see 4 bottles have completely filled it. So how can you find this? If you take k divided by x, this will give you 8 by 2. So 4, which is correct. 4 water bottles are filling. So k by x will be doing it. 4 is correct. Now let's try to take this one, 10 by 4. So what they're saying is number of water bottles are 10. 10 water bottles we have. So let me denote this like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 water bottles we have, and the capacity of the one water bottle is basically 5 liters, or for all water bottles its capacity is 5 liters, and in your tank you have only 4 liters of water. Now if you try to fill let's say first bottle, it will be filled somewhere like this. It will not be filled completely. So if it is not completely filled, so in this case, and when you try to fill it, 4 will become 0, but still it is not completely filled. You have only 4 liters of water in this, but its capacity is 5. So basically 0 water bottles you can fill. And how do you do it? You can take this way, k by x if you try to do. So k is basically 4 and x is 5. 4 by 5, this will give again 0. So this is the thing you will be doing it. So yeah, k by 4 is 0. Let's try to consider this one. This is very interesting. I'll tell you. 314. So 3 bottles we have, and its capacity is 1 liter, and tank has 4 liters of water. This is a tank in Sheffland which has 4 liters of water, and we have bottles. So its capacity is 1 liter. Now, if you try to find this way, k by x, this will give you 4 by 1, which is 4. But see, ideally this is not correct answer. I'll tell you why. Say now you have 4 liters, you will try to fill this water bottle completely. If you try to fill it, 4 minus 1, 3. I mean 3 liters of water we will be having. Let's try to fill now this one. So completely will fill it. So 1 liter of water will gone away. So 2 liters of water we have. Now let's try to fill this one. Completely will fill it. So you have 1 liter of water remaining in this tank, but you don't have any bottle to fill it, right? So all the water bottles what you have filled it. But if you do k by x, that is giving you 4, but this is not the correct one. You will have to take minimum of n comma k by x. Why minimum of n comma k by x? uh, like in this case, if you see k by x is giving us more answer, but the number of water bottles we have is less than that, so you'll have to consider minimum of that these two. So if you take now minimum of these two, n is 3, k by x 4, this will give you answer is 3. So this is the formula that we'll be using for coding. So basically this was the case wherein water bottles were less, that's why all the water bottles will be filling, and remaining water will be there in the tank. So we'll see out minimum of n comma k by x. Let's try to run the code. So 403, let's try to submit the code. Yeah, it got accepted. So it was an easy problem only. Basically this Saturday I'm going my hometown where I was born after 9 years. So that's why I'm making more of video, 3-4 videos I'll make today, so that you guys can watch this. And I'll be returning back on 18th of this month, July. So yeah, from then I'll be continuing these videos. So thank you guys for watching the video.